Prevent Child Abuse Louisiana is a statewide nonprofit dedicated to preventing the abuse and neglect of our state's children. So this is our 26th year in Louisiana. We actually got our start as Parents Anonymous, which is parent support groups. Nationwide, we're connected to Prevent Child Abuse America. We're the local chapter of that organization. And we really focus on stopping child abuse and neglect before it starts.
Now, how serious a problem is that in Louisiana?
It's very serious. We actually rank 49th in the nation in overall child well-being. And with the downturn in the economy, we're seeing cases spike again. Nationwide, we had made a lot of progress in starting to see a decline in the number of at least sexual abuse cases across the nation. And with the economy downturn, things have started to go up again.
What are the most common forms of child abuse that your group deals with?
Actually, what most people think about most often is either physical abuse or sexual abuse, but the most common type of child abuse is child neglect, which is not providing a child with the basic necessities of life. And that accounts for about 70% of the cases here in Louisiana and also nationwide.
Tell us about your conference in February.
It is coming up February 6th through 8th, and it's here in Baton Rouge at the Crown Plaza. We attract generally about 250 to 350 professionals who work in this field, so social workers, licensed counselors, child care providers, attorneys, things like that. And they come to get, top-of-the-line training in all things child abuse. So it spans from prevention all the way to intervention and treatment.
What are some of the topics that are going to be discussed?
We're very excited this year. Our session that's open to the public that you don't have to pay to attend is on Monday night, February 6th from 5:30 to 7, and that's with Dr. Rochelle Head Dunham from the Office of Behavioral Health, and she's going to talk about opiates in pregnancy. Then we also have sessions through our general workshops that range from general child abuse and neglect and the long-term impact of sexual abuse all the way to trafficking of teens, to working with lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, and questioning youth, to different types of parent education. There's a whole gamut. There's about 29 workshops that take place over the course of a couple of days.
Why is it important that people attend the conference?
Well, because this is one of our only opportunities to have national experts come and present here in Louisiana, and we know that budgets are tough. A lot of people have experienced cuts in the last couple of years, and so it's tough to get training and professional development for your workers. But you can get that here, and it's critical information. Child abuse spans all kinds of fields. It's intersected with substance abuse and with domestic violence, and so there are a lot of nonprofit professionals and government workers out there who could benefit from learning how we prevent and treat child abuse and neglect.
And again, when is the conference going to be held, and how can people find out more information?
It's February 6th through 8th, 2012, at the Crown Plaza in Baton Rouge, and you can find more information on our website, which is www.pcal.org, or you can call our office, which is 225-925-9520, or even toll-free on our KID line, which is a parent helpline as well, and that number is 1-800-CHILDREN.